Who's enjoying this challenge? Who is enjoying this challenge? Please put your hands up. Me. Hey beauty roomers and silent watchers, welcome back for day 3 of the hashtag wedding challenge. Get fit for the wedding. It's your girl Alicia. Are you ready? Today we're going to do planks. We're going to do 30-second planks, and then we're going to do upper body workout. My body is already hurting already, guys. I'm feeling the burn. I've tried on my dresses, a couple of dress options for this wedding, and I've already noticed that I've lost some inches, so hopefully the dress still fits. Hopefully my outfit still fits at the end. But anyway, I was looking good. I've woken up sore every single day. First it started with my stomach, my core, to the point where I couldn't even roll over in the bed, so I was feeling the pain there. Then it worked its way down to my legs, and now I'm gonna feel it in my arms because we're gonna do an arm workout today, and we're gonna burn some fat, and we're gonna get some muscle. So I hope you're ready, because here we come for day 3. I'm already seeing results. My stomach is not bloated every day. I'm feeling the burn from the workouts and the toning. I'm feeling sore, and all that's just showing me is that this challenge is working, and it's just motivating me to keep pushing to get through. You know, if you want to start this challenge too, like, just know that you are beautiful already, and whatever goals you have in mind that you want to pursue, just know that you can do them, and you're just going to be more beautiful at the end of your journey. And challenge yourself, because the hardest challenges that you'll have in your life are the ones that you give yourself. Life gives us many challenges, and why not challenge ourselves and appreciate and love those challenges, knowing that we pushed ourselves and that we overcame it. I feel like those challenges are the most rewarding, because it's something that you gave to yourself and you achieved it, and when you achieve it at the end, you're going to really feel great about yourself and motivated, and know that you can do it. Just know that every day is an opportunity for health and fitness. If you miss a day, that's fine. The next day is opportunity to start over again. Don't let one day be a setback. Don't let 2 days be a setback. But in your mind, every single day, say, I will work out today, I will eat healthy today. And just make good choices. And like I said, if you make mistakes, that's okay. We're all human, we all do it. We're all normal, and it's okay, you know? It's okay. Just like so, let's continue to tone up, guys. Let's continue to glow up, continue our glow up. Let's get more beautiful than we are, so that we can see results at the end. And you'll definitely see my results at the end for the finale. And you can get ready. You'll get ready with me, and I'll show you what I'm wearing to this wedding. Hopefully it still fits, because your girl's really putting in work, and I might not have nothing to wear to the wedding. So we're gonna see what happens at the end. Stay tuned. Thank you for the faithful beauty roomers that have already watched day 1 and day 2 of my wedding challenge, and continue to watch this wedding challenge. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click down below and subscribe and join the Beauty Room family. And click that bell so you can get notified every time I post in this challenge, so you can stay tuned to what's going on. Or else you ain't gonna know what's going on, sis. You're gonna be behind. You're gonna be like, what's going on? I missed day 3, 4, 5, and 6. Like, just pay attention, guys, you know? Click the notifications, they'll help you. So, thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. And let's get into day 3 of the workout plank.